Hello everyone, today we are going to see on IICS tutorial series on scenario based question. The scenario it is we need to load the data to target in the form of who are getting the salaries range greater than 5000 and with specific department 50 and 80. These data and all we are moving to the target. Okay, here we are going to consider our source, it is from that Oracle table. Now see in this employees data, here we have some certain data it is present. The total number of the record it is present, it is 105 record it is present. From this the department ID we are going to take 50 and 80 only we are going to take the range. Okay, and salary it is getting greater than 5000 we are going to take. And this is my source here. Next we are going to take our target. Here our target it is a flat file. Here we are going to consider. Here we are not taking that any creations of flat files. We are going to take the target at dynamically we are going to create the target. Okay, so we can create the mapping for that. First you want to go to data integration and here new mapping and create the mapping. So once the mapping it is created, default it is available with a source and target. First change the mapping name. Here I am giving the mapping name, it is M underscore salary 50 and 80. These department range only we are going to take. Okay. Next we need to take the source here. Here we are going to take our source from connection, it is Oracle source. Next take the object employees data, select the object and click on OK. Now we have taken our source. Next we need to apply the filter conditions. So just I am taking that one filter transformations here. You can choose in source itself because we have taken the source, it is table. Okay. Now use a advanced condition here. So define the filter conditions. Here my condition it is I need to get the salary range of employees greater than 5000. Okay, and second conditions here we need to take the specific department ID. So for that I am going to take built-in functions. The function it is in we are going to take. Okay. In this value to search, in this place we need to change the field. The field it is department ID we need to change. Second it is which values we need to get. Okay, 50 and value 2 it is 80. So this is my range. Okay, this specific department ID we can get in our target. Now validate the expression. Now see here the expression it is getting valid. Now click on OK. Keep remember that whenever you are using that two conditions in filter transformation, that time you want to use the operator and or like that we need to use it. Okay. Now we have taken the filter conditions here. Next we need to take a target. Here our target it is from that flat file. Take that flat file source target and next we need to get the object. I already said that here we are not taking that object from this list. We are creating the dynamic file. So that's the reason here I have used that option create new at runtime. Here we are going to give that the file in the form of static file name only. Just I am giving that T underscore EMP underscore salary underscore department 50 80. Okay. Now just click on OK here. Now just see in this target file, that is location of the target file, what we have given the file name. Okay. Here there is no record it is present, but the record will be available here after done the mapping. Okay. Now we can save the mapping here. We are not doing that field mapping. Why we are not doing means we have taken our target, it is form, create the target and runtime, that is dynamically we are creating the target. That's the reason we are not making that field mapping here. There are no target fields is available. Okay. Now save the mapping. So once the mapping it is getting saved, so we can start to run the mapping. We can see the status of the mapping in the My Job sessions. Just refresh your mapping 1 or 2 times. First the status it is starting, then it is queue, then it is running, then we can get the status whether it is success or warning or failed. Now see here from the source, the employees table we got the data as it is 105 record we got, okay, and the target how many data it is populated means 79 record it is populated to the target. Okay, now we can just check in that Oracle SQL developer. Our condition letters are select star from employees 1 where salary range greater than 5,000 and department ID in 50, 80. Now execute this statement, department ID. Now execute this statement, we can get the result. Okay, how many record it is present, count the rows here. Now see 79 record it is present. Okay, now see in this mapping result 79 record it is present, as well as our target it is we set the flat file. Okay, now see here 1 record it is available. Before that there is no record it is present. Okay, but now this file it is created once the mapping it is getting success. Now open this one with help of Notepad++. Okay, now see this department range 50 and 80 data it is available, with salary it is getting more than 5,000 people range. Just pause the video and see this one. You can get the clear idea on that how the data and all it is moving to the source and target, and what are the data it is getting our flat file target. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it, and if you have any questions or doubt on Oracle SQL, IICS or Linux, please post the comment in below. We can check on upcoming sessions. Thank you.